Hey guys, it's Warren here. Here's how to make a deliciously tasty and most importantly easy to prepare vegetable moussaka. It's in a delicious rich tomato sauce made with a full-bodied red wine. Speaking of which, you can get 30% off your first order at nakedwines.com using the exclusive code Warren30. Let's cook. Okay, on the stove over a high heat, using a casserole or a large pan, heat up some oil, then fry some chopped onion for about 5 minutes. And to keep things simple, we're going to use some pre-prepared frozen vegetables. So take 1 kilogram of Mediterranean chopped vegetables from frozen, add to the pan, then also add 2 chopped garlic cloves. Then fry for a further 10 minutes remaining over a high heat. Next, add 2 cans of chopped tomatoes, 2 tablespoons of dried oregano, 1 tablespoon of tomato puree, and crumble in 1 vegetable stock cube. Then take a bottle of nice full-bodied red wine and pour 150 ml into the pan. Now mix everything together, then leave the mixture to simmer for between 45 minutes to 1 hour until the sauce has thickened up nicely. And meanwhile, we'll prepare the rest of the moussaka, starting with the potatoes. So take 600 grams of potatoes, peel them, then finely slice. And you can do this using a knife or even easier using a food processor. Then you need to cook the potato. You can do this either in an air fryer for 5 minutes or cook them in some boiling water again for 5 minutes, then drain afterwards. Then set the potato aside. Next we're going to prepare the aubergine, so take the ends off and again slice. And just like with the potato, we need to cook these as well. So this time you can again cook them in the air fryer for about 10 minutes or cook them in a frying pan for about 10 minutes as well, until they've just started to crisp up nicely. Then set the aubergine aside. Next we're going to prepare the white sauce, so take a jug, crack an egg into it and then give it a quick whisk. Then take a large jar of pre-prepared white sauce and pour it into the jug along with 75 grams of grated Parmesan cheese. Then thoroughly mix the egg, the white sauce and the cheese together, then set aside. Now, after about 45 minutes to an hour, your vegetable tomato sauce should have thickened up nicely. Give it a good stir and then take an oven dish that's big enough to hold all of your ingredients. Now, it's time to layer. So add half of your tomato vegetable mixture to the bottom of your oven dish, then layer with half of the aubergine, then half of the potato. Pour over half of that delicious cheesy white sauce, then again layer with the rest of your tomato vegetable sauce, the rest of your aubergine and the rest of your potatoes. Pour over the rest of the white sauce, then use a spatula to evenly spread it over the top of your moussaka. Next, crumble 100 grams of feta cheese on top of the moussaka, then it's ready to bake. So, in an oven that's been preheated to 180 degrees centigrade, which is 350 Fahrenheit, bake in the oven for about 45 minutes until it's lovely and golden on top. And once cooked, remove from the oven and then leave to rest for about 15 minutes and then it's ready to serve straight away. And trust me guys, this moussaka will be a dinner time favourite every time you make it. And don't forget to claim your £30 off voucher at nakedwines.com using the code Warren30.